Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Ibis Paint X and confirming the app is updated. This avoids format mismatches. Next, sign into your account so cloud features work. Then tap the brush icon, open the brush set you want to share, and choose Export. You'll see an option to generate a QR code. Select it to make a shareable code image. Once done, save or screenshot the QR code to your device because you'll need that image to transfer or send the brush. Now generate the QR code for the exact brush or set you want. In the Export menu, pick the item, then choose Share as QR code. You can edit the preset name or description so recipients recognize it. Wait for the app to render the QR image. The generation can take a few seconds for complex brushes. Make sure to save the QR image to your gallery or copy it to the clipboard because you'll need a clear, uncropped image to scan on another device or to upload to a sharing platform. To finish, open Ibis Paint X on the receiving device and go to Menu, then Import, then Scan QR. Point the camera at the saved QR image or load the image from your gallery. The app will parse the code and add the brush to your library. After import, test the brush on a new canvas and tweak size, opacity, or texture settings. If the QR scan fails, make sure the QR image isn't cropped or compressed, and confirm both devices run.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.